Sekiko. Hello, everyone. Today's topic is something that affects a significant number of people worldwide, fatty liver disease. It's crucial to comprehend the factors that contribute to this condition, as it can have serious health implications if left unchecked. Now, there are divergent opinions on what actually causes fatty liver. Some argue it's due to excessive carbohydrates, while others point fingers at excess fat consumption. So, is it excessive carbohydrates or excess fat consumption that leads to fatty liver? Let's dive in. There are divergent opinions when it comes to the cause of fatty liver. Some argue that it's excessive carbohydrates, particularly sugars, that are the culprits. They highlight how the liver, when overwhelmed by an influx of sugars, converts the excess into fat, potentially leading to fatty liver disease. On the other side of the argument, we have those who point the finger at excessive fat consumption, especially saturated fats. They emphasize how these fats can contribute to insulin resistance, a precursor to fatty liver disease. But perhaps it's not about carbohydrates versus fats, but rather the common intersection between the two: overeating hyper-palatable foods. These are foods that are so tasty they're hard to resist, often loaded with both sugars and fats. So, while both carbohydrates and fats are often blamed, it's important to remember that the liver plays a crucial role. It's the overconsumption of fast-absorbing, hyper-palatable foods that can put undue stress on this vital organ. Our liver plays a pivotal role in our metabolism. Acting as the body's chemical processing plant, it's responsible for breaking down and converting nutrients from the food we eat into substances our body can use. When we consume fats and carbohydrates, the liver steps in, transforming these nutrients into energy, hormones, and proteins essential for our survival. However, when we overindulge in fast-absorbing, hyperpalatable foods, our liver is put to the test. These foods, often high in sugars and fats, are rapidly absorbed into our bloodstream, leading to a sudden surge of nutrients that the liver has to process. Over time, this can lead to an overload, causing the liver to store excess nutrients as fat. The impact of this nutrient overload isn't just confined to weight gain. It can also lead to more serious health issues, such as fatty liver disease, where fat accumulates in the liver cells. A study about soda consumption sheds some light on this issue. A study published in a hepatology journal involved nearly 6,000 participants. This research draws attention to the comparison between regular and diet soda consumers. Interestingly, it was the regular soda consumers who had higher levels of alanine transaminase, an enzyme that, when elevated, often signals liver damage. This finding throws light on the potential link between sugar consumption and fatty liver. Now, you might be wondering, why is sugar, something so sweet and delightful, being painted as a villain? The answer lies in the liver's handling of fructose, a type of sugar found in many sweetened beverages. When we consume more fructose than our body can handle, the liver stores the excess as fat. Over time, this can lead to fatty liver issues. So the next time you reach for that can of soda, remember it's not just about quenching thirst, but also about taking care of your liver. This study suggests that sugar, particularly fructose, may contribute to fatty liver. However, it's not just sugar that might cause fatty liver. Saturated fats also play a significant role, particularly in insulin resistance. One study compared the effects of a high saturated fat diet versus a high sugar diet. The results? Those consuming high amounts of saturated fats exhibited increased insulin resistance and fluctuating glucose levels. This can potentially lead to fatty liver. Interestingly, the combined effect of fats and sugars can exacerbate this issue. So how can you mitigate the risk of fatty liver? One significant strategy is maintaining a balanced approach to fat intake. Instead of completely cutting out fats, consider replacing saturated fats with healthier alternatives. Monounsaturated fats, found in foods like avocados and olive oil, are a great substitute. Additionally, increase your fiber intake. A diet rich in fiber can help counteract the effects of sugar, reducing the risk of fatty liver. In conclusion, a balanced diet can help prevent fatty liver. In summary, both sugar and fat consumption can contribute to fatty liver. We've explored how overconsumption of sugar, particularly fructose, and saturated fats can lead to fatty liver issues. We've also highlighted the importance of a balanced diet, managing fat intake, incorporating healthier fats, and balancing sugar consumption with increased fiber. It's crucial to take action and make positive changes to your diet. Remember, your health is in your hands. Take care and see you in the next video.